Navigation and routing is as easy as point and click with App Builder. To demonstrate this, I'll create a new application based on the Header Plus Navigation content template. This app has a master view with 3 child views. Each menu item on the master view is mapped to a route using the Interactions menu on the property editor. You can choose to open close a dialog, or show hide a menu, or to navigate to a view. When you select Navigate, you can choose which view you'd like to navigate to. I'll add a new view and call it View 4. In this view, I'll add a new side-by-side layout using the Layout Picker. Using the Ctrl+E shortcut, I'll add a chart and a grid so I can differentiate View 4 from the other views in my application when I navigate. Now, I just need to select my master view and add a new menu item. I'll give this menu item a name and I'll change its Navigate property to View 4. All that you need to remember is to wire up any routes using the Navigate property. I'll run the application and go from View 1 to my new View 4, and you can see the navigation and routing works exactly as expected. With no code and a few clicks, you can add any type of navigation and routing to your applications, including production-ready code generation. Sign up at appbuilder.dev to start your free trial today.